Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're gonna do what is it called? Barkies?
Yeah, Barkies.
I have pink goes with this mad one.
But I'm going to use this.
And this green one. This green one with this one. Okay, so let's take it out of the back. Oh god.
Mine's already open, so yeah. Mine's actually on the phone. Oh god, it's out.
Mine hasn't even black. It's actually just a rip off. So you can see it's not like slime,
But
it's just like it's like okay, you can like it's like a texture
It's
slime.
like gooey, but yeah, it's pretty good. I'm going to
You can put your nose.
I'm going to put mine in now.
Okay. What you do is you just grab this and you squeeze it and you go like this, and then you just wait and then take it, squeeze it again, and then take it in again.
Oh, got
Take
it.
it again. No, so you can see, as you can see, maybe you can see inside.
Barfies
So then
are
what
really
you do
fun.
is just, yeah, you just
Yeah.
squeeze it out like this.
And like, I wish I could see our faces. But they won't see what we're doing.
You just step in it.
Yeah. That's the part. Ew. Mama. Mom. Sorry, I'm drunk. That was all.
Sorry for the background.
We're in my cousin's house. Barfies are so hard. No! 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 My Barfie throw up.
Look, watch this one.
I'm gonna do that.
It's like when you're done putting it, look. It's like eating his own barf.
Mine's not going good.
Ew, don't fart. You're farting in my YouTube channel.
This is our. So this is our first time making a YouTube channel. We don't know really how to do it.
So, yeah, we do, but I hope you subscribe to our video. I just want to make my mom proud that we have at least 7 or 10
YouTube
subscribers.
If
If you have a YouTube,
career,
comment down below.
if you have a YouTube channel, comment down below.
And maybe we'll text you back. Comment back.
We'll watch it. Like the Mirror Twins. Oh. I'm not coming out. Go up.
Well, thank you guys for watching our video.
Fine, do it. Mine's not coming out.
Really?
Oh, there we go.
Well, I thank you guys for watching this. You can get these anywhere in Walmart, Dollar Tree, Target. I don't know.
99.62.
Maybe I don't think I've never seen someone. Well, there's
Tomorrow's
Granny
gonna be
and
fun because it's Easter.
Oh yeah, guys. I hope you have a best Easter
The funnest Easter in your life.
with your family. My neck is itchy.
I'm so short. I
Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed.
Ow.
Can you please subscribe. At least one. Like
Give this
one.
video a thumbs up and let's see if we can do
5.
how about
10 subscribers, but like this video. At least
give us a
just
big
get
thumbs
one.
up.
Big thumbs up. And turn on our
post notifications.
yeah.
To be notified every
Every time we
video.
post a video. Thank you guys. Bye.